In this session, we'll be looking at transferring our old stringer survey settings from the original stringer survey to the new stringer survey. Now, the first thing you want to make sure of is that we're opening a template that has the description key set we wish to use, any blocks that we wish to use, and any layers that we wish to use. All three of these should be present in the template before we start doing any further work. Now, the points are still controlled from the description key set, so once the template has been set up, you will not have to worry about the point descriptions from there on. The survey strings, however, are controlled through the survey string settings. Open this interface now. Once open, we want to set up a custom table, so your add table at the bottom. Now, to bring in your survey line information, we have to do a bit of back-end work. First off, open up the migration format for stringer settings form that is included with this video. Secondly, you'll want to look for the CSV file that has all of your previous survey string settings loaded into it. Open up both, as you can see on my screen now. The columns we wish to replace are the one in column A, which is code, M, which is breakline, N, which is 2D layer, and O, that is 3D layer. We are wanting to replace these with the values from the numeric survey CSV that we have loaded in here. So in my column A for the numeric survey, this is the code that I wish to use. So highlight that one and copy it over and replace it in the code section. Next off, we want to tell the software whether or not it's creating a breakline or not. So select B and then select the breakline one to copy it over. Next off, if the survey has a 2D layer, we want to tell it what layer it needs to go onto. This is found in the C column of the numeric survey.csv. Select this column and then copy that over and place it into the 2D layer. Next off, if your survey does happen to have 3D layers, select the E column, highlight that one and bring it over. As said before, you need to make sure that any layers, styles, codes, and the rest is already loaded into your drawing before you try to bring any of this information in. Once done, save the template where you know it is, and then go find it and rename it from CSV to SDB. Ensure you hit yes to override it from a CSV to an SDB. Once done, go back to Civil 3D, and now we want to bring in using the SDB file format. Locate the SDB file you wish to import and select it. This will load in all of your stringer settings, and you'll be able to customize them as needed. Now, as you can see, it's already toggled on the add breakline, 2D line work, and it's already provided a 2D layer. The reason that the 3D layer is not turned on is that we no longer need a 3D line to apply a breakline. Instead, any that had 3D line work ticked on has been applied to the add breakline command. If you wish, you are able to turn these on as you wish by simply toggling them on. You are also able to do a 3D layer by simply selecting it and selecting the 3D layer you wish to work with. If you wish to apply this as a global command so that it applies to any jobs that you open from here on out, use the set as global command to set this for all future jobs, not just the template you have opened. Now, as you scroll down, you may see that some of the 2D layers have not been applied. This is due to the fact that it has not found a corresponding 2D layer to work with when it's compared to the SDB file. In which case, simply select the drop down and select one of the options available.